Hello. So in the previous videos we did the speak playground, and we were able to use WebAssembly to port our speak interpreter to the web. So in this last bit, I want to finish up on the playground on how I actually styled it and where I'm at so far. The reason why uh, I haven't had a follow-up in a long time is because I have been busy with school and also work, and also I got a knee fracture. It's an ankle fracture, actually. It's not a knee fracture, it's an ankle fracture, which took me out for like a month. And I'm still recovering, and that's okay. I'm doing great. I thought it was long overdue to uh, have the last follow-up video for this series. So if we let me open Chrome, and then let me order. Okay. So what we're going to check is playground, and I can also run it locally, cd. So I've used Tailwind as the CSS uh, framework, and we can just run it locally. So what was added was I'm using Tailwind from a CDN, and also some of the changes I made were on how I have the components. So I put everything into the root app component. Not everything really, but most of what I could. This way it will be cleaner to organize my styling, and it actually made no sense to uh, have everything in its own component. Functionally it didn't make sense. But it's something that uh, modularization is okay, but for my case it doesn't add value to, yeah. The way I did the styling, I used ChatGPT, and I I always refined my prompts such that I got what I wanted. If we can see the playground, this is basically how it is. We have a language variant, we have a program input. We can say let's do the classic example of sum and b, which serve numbers. Then we return a number. Then we return a plus b. Then we call sprint 20 and 3, and all this come on. And all this is part of sum. First call sum on 20 and 3, which is 23, and then we print it as a string. Yeah, it's simple, clean. It's what I like about it. So basically this is the last part of the video. Um, for the speak language, there's a lot of things I need to uh, go back and work on. Particularly, I've done a lot of cloning within the repo. So if you by chance see anywhere you can come and push a PR on optimization, I'm all for that. The second thing, I need to write documentation on the syntax, on its syntax and on its maybe some small tutorials on how we can use Pick. Okay, with that I think we're done. So let me change the language variant, which will break the system. Then I change it to Swahili, Nambari, Nambari. Print ni andika. Uh, andika longo. Was that it now? Will its print work? Hmm. That is weird. I'll go and check on what the issue is with the. Okay, there is some bugs, small bugs such as like the one I've shown you. I need to also check on that. It's part of. I want to have a V1 by probably the end of the year, and I would like to redo some of the things. There's some unholy uh, code I've written. Sometimes it nests a lot. Sometimes the function is like too big. Yeah, so that's what I'll be working on. But basically, the series is over because our goal was to create a language playground, and our playground is done. We can have our errors. We can change our language uh, number, and it will work. Yeah. So that's it from me. Uh, I think I'll be uploading other different content. It might be okay. It is programming content, but it's different. It might be me learning Haskell or me doing Haskell, me doing Go, what I love about Go, like something of the sorts. If you have any ideas for what you'd like me to cover, please feel free to comment. If you've enjoyed the series, please leave a like, subscribe. There's more content to come. I'm actually trying to skill up my video editing skills, so that's something. I promise good videos, good content, consistency. Yeah, peace out.